Hello, my name is Peter from PD Woodcraft. You can visit our website at www.pdwoodcraft.com. Recently, someone has inquired about hand carving a large billboard for them. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to run through some of the steps that are involved in hand carving and some of the options that are available to a hand carver as well. So here I've got a slab of Monterey cypress or cypress macrocarpa, an edge-to-edge slab. A bit deep for our demonstration, so I'll cut it down a little further. You can see the natural edge on both sides. I only want something about 300 mil square for this. Okay, I've cut that slab down to about a 12-inch square block of timber, glued onto the bench with a bit of thermoplastic glue, which is easy to get on and off. Before I do that though, just mention some of the different designs and types of carving. One type would be the sculpture type, which is a human form perhaps, or a horse, something that is approached from up to 6 different sides. Then there's your relief carving, which is basically a flat panel that is embossed. To what extent it's embossed, that has different names. Alto Revelio would be where it is embossed so deeply that it is nearly a sculpture that has not quite been severed from its panel. Then there's Mezzo, and then there's Basso, and there's a couple of different ways to get the font or the design onto the material to begin with. Trace around the items with carbon paper underneath. I've generated my original designs. I've printing a photograph, so that's one way. There it is marked out. The next stage is scribing, and that's the line I scribe to. Or a quicker, faster way is to size the panel. Plenty of adhesive, and then just pop it on, paper and all. Saves time. The first step is to scribe around the line. So we take a gouge, which is the size of the line required, and work our way around that. This is called scribing. I'll move it a little closer. Okay, so we're scribing around the silhouette. It's very basic carving, this being a text. Now this cuts the fibre. You can't really lift the fibre until it's been severed from its surrounding material. Once that's done, then you can start gouging. And you notice the paper just comes off. This is gouging, just removing the waste from around. Now the scribing is no longer deep enough to successfully gouge. Material's getting left attached. So that's an indicator. We start scribing again. And around we go again, scribing. We'll demonstrate a couple of other principles and methods, namely profiling and detailing. So with profiling, which is your other method, you have a foreground and a background, but you really don't have any shape in this component. So we just put the shape in that component, and it goes quite quickly.